Oh, look, this is target from our strategy. The price went down and now they're coming back to get the target. You see how those targets are working? Very nice. And that's okay. So let's check if we got any volume levels. Nice one, guys. Let's set pending order at volume level 1 to 4, quite far, so I'm gonna make it smaller. 60 pips stop loss, we can make it, guys. Okay, risky trade, high risky trade, don't do it at home, guys. We need just one candle from 5 minutes time frame, nothing else. One single candle and we got it. Okay, the trade is closed, guys. We got $5,219 from this perfect trade.
Start your learning journey with ALLin Traders using our convenient mobile app. Access over 100 educational materials anytime, anywhere.
Hello traders, welcome to our live trading session. It's Tuesday the 11th of August. Before we start our live trading session, I want to check macroeconomic calendar. This is the first thing what we need to do every time when we want to trade, so make sure there's nothing important, okay? Even if you checked in the morning and you're gonna trade again during New York session, always make sure there's nothing important, okay? So today we got Tuesday 11th of August and we got some high impact news at 4 p.m. from United States, existing home sales, but this is not that important, guys, because when we look at our trading platform MFA, there's nothing important right here. Okay, we're gonna look at gold. What's going on gold today? Guys, we got some drop today, quite strong drop because the price, this is 1 hour time frame, yes it is 780 pips, but they stopped here for a reason. They stopped here for a reason because this is support zone for buyers and usually it's working very nice. Here nearly, but retested over here. So usually the price is climbing up on the stairs. They building the stairs and they climbing up, and that was a chance to enter the trade. I didn't use it. I didn't open the trade for continuation. So I cannot say I was in the trade because I wasn't, but where we can get to, guys, this is the question, because I was thinking that after this liquidity grab we're gonna have bigger reaction. The grab liquidity reaction was quite big, but no power to go down, so it looks like they want to go higher. So let's check the places where we can get. Here we had some imbalance, but I think they closed it. Yes, that's right, they closed this imbalance. You can see price got to it and closed it, so we cannot use it anymore. Right here we might have some kind of maybe order block, let's say, might be, but there was reaction already, so not really. The next liquid zones, we can mark the liquid zones right here. So this is our liquid zone and this is the first one probably. Here maybe yes, but I wouldn't count that for now. This is 4 hour time frame, another one, and we got another one. Let me just check from 1 hour time frame, but it's supposed to be the same unless we're gonna add this one here, because this can be also kind of liquidity, because from here we can see a lot of sellers. So I'm gonna mark that on the chart. I'm not sure if we're gonna use it, but you know, we're gonna watch those areas. Okay, we're gonna watch it closely because this place can react. Okay, let's clean this up. Okay, one more. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 areas of liquidity coming up. We're climbing up, so maybe we're gonna be able to use it. So can we find any support for now? This zone right here, this is quite strong, I can say, support resistance. You can see nice reaction, there was breakout, there was retest, continuation. The price bounced from this area, boom, went down, got to this area, there was a reaction. We went through this area and we got reaction again. So if we got reaction, maybe we can use it to go up. Let's have a closer look to this area. 1 hour time frame. You can see the price stopped over here, which is good. This is support resistance zone from higher time frame, and at the moment the price is closing above this area, which is perfect for me. Can we find any support zone? The support resistance line. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. Looks like it's working, but I'm not sure about that. Not sure. I can leave it for observation. Okay, let's remove it. So we know the market structure is bullish, right? When you look at the market, we know it's bullish. Okay, so long direction long can be nice, but we need to be careful also, because here we got some local support resistance zone. if the price will break through and the market structure will change, probably we're gonna have opportunity to go down like this. But we're gonna leave it for now because at the moment the price is going up. So let's focus on this. I need to put ALLin tool, that's for sure. Okay, let me just close it, remove it. We don't need that. 5 minutes time frame. I think the target from ALLin ASAP is already. Oh, look. This is target from our strategy. The price went down and now they're coming back to get the target. You see how those targets are working? Very nice. Some kind of bullish move. Okay, that's fine. But remember guys, today the market was going down most of the day till 11 a.m. and now we got some pullback. Let's find out how big this pullback is. The whole impulse. See, we didn't get to 61.8 yet. There is a chance we're gonna react over here and the price may go down. I know we are in bullish market structure, but I don't want to focus on one direction because the main market structure is bullish. It doesn't mean I cannot go bearish. The price is rotating in some kind of channel at the moment. Yeah, a little bit above the target. We got some 61.8. And also I want to measure the impulse on the left hand side. This is nice zone, but not sure about it right now. It can be nice, guys, because look, the price reversed just before this area. They reversed again and again. So basically they are generating some kind of liquidity because some people probably trying to go short from here also. Stop loss is over here. This is small tiny area and this area is around 61.8, which is even better for me. So let's double check again and double check fixed range volume profile. And we're gonna have a closer look to the zone. Yes, we have this zone, this bit right here. This might be nice place for reaction. I usually set pending orders if I have some confirmations. At the moment I know level 61.8 is a few pips higher and that's okay. So let's check if we got any volume levels. Nice one, guys. Let's set pending order at volume level. Why not? I don't mind. Just to let you know, okay? This kind of setup in bullish trend, short position, pending order with tiny stop loss, it's a high risk trade, okay? But I will try to get 1 to 4. Why not 1 to 5? Because the latest statistics showing me that 1 to 4 is working a little bit better than 1 to 5. Changes, guys. That's why we make statistics all the time. Because 1 month it can be 1 to 5, the other one can be 1 to 4. So I know 1 to 4 it's working nice because I missed few setups because I was trying to get 1 to 5 and they've done 1 to 4 and reverse. 1 to 4 reverse. 1 to 4 reverse. So I was missing few setups. Okay, I don't want to miss another one, so we're gonna set the order. Gold. Okay, let's have a look. Advanced order, risk mode, percent 0.25. The highest point we got 32 pips. Okay, the highest point we got 32 pips, which is over here. 4404. 4404. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this. Okay, can be here. This is 5 minutes time frame, and my stop loss supposed to be. Let's check it out. We got volume level, so basically we can go something like that. 1 to 4, quite far, so I'm gonna make it smaller. 60 pips stop loss, and 1 to 4, we can make it, guys. So 60, 55 pips stop loss, maybe 60 pips stop loss. We can do it. Okay, risky trade, high risky trade. Don't do it at home, guys. Don't do it at home. $10,000 to get, guys, from this trade, but very risky. Look how the stop loss, how tight is it? Very tiny stop loss. Gold is nearly activated. Let's have a look. Pending order. We are not too far, guys, to activate order on gold. We got into the zone, but the thing is, we got volume. There is a chance that there will be reaction now and they're gonna drop now because we entered the zone, okay? I just said pending order because we got volume zone over there. Not too far. Not too far. We are missing just few pips, guys. Around 25, 26. Just waiting for gold, guys, to be activated. Not too far. Risky trade, but we can get $10,000 from this trade, so I don't mind. I don't mind. Okay, position is activated. Let's see, guys. Gold is activated. Fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed. Let's get some profit. Hopefully they're not gonna get to the top of this channel because my stop loss is around this area. Hopefully not. In this kind of setup, usually there is a chance to secure the trade after 1-to-1 move, but we need to get to 1-to-1, so around this area. Okay, euro is breaking through. That's good. We're gonna look for the trade. Come on, drop a little bit so we can secure the trade. Come on. We need to get to this yellow line, then they're gonna secure the trade for break even and no worries. Probably I would leave it, but the US dollar index is dropping down and they, you know, push the price. Okay, we hit 1-to-1 nearly. Yes, we definitely hit 1-to-1, so I'm gonna secure the trade for break even. And let's get to full take profit of $10,000, guys. No risk at the moment. $2,700 profit right now. And let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Come on, let them drop. $3,300. Yes. Probably I might take some profit when we're gonna get to this area and I will read the rest. We'll see how much we can get from this trade. $3,700, $4,000, guys. Nice one, $4,000. Trade is secured. Even if they're gonna go up, I don't care. I don't care. Of course, I would like to get this profit, but when you can secure your trade for break even, you don't need to worry. It's perfect, guys. Let's check out gold because we can probably take some of the profit. $2,500 and we can leave the rest. Probably yes. Okay, let's close it. Closed half of the position, so $2,300 is secured, so I'm not risking anything. I've got profit, still $5,000 to get, guys. We got some profits of $2,321 from this trade. That was perfect entry. Look at this sniper entry, guys. Perfect entry into the position, so we can get another $5,000. Hopefully we can get that. Look at this, guys. Perfect entry into the position. That's what we like. Price is dropping so nicely. I think we're supposed to secure some of the trade. Probably I would leave it, but you know, I'm gonna secure another $1,400 just in case they want to go back, because we'll reach this zone over here. They might go up from here. 1 second. 2,300, 4,000, 2,000. Okay, can probably make it a little bit lower, especially that we might have reaction right now. Another $1,800, so we're supposed to, in the worst case, we're supposed to have $4,000 from this trade. And probably it will close right now, guys. You can see they are reversing. So they done 1 to 3, let's say. 1 to 3 was safe, 1 to 4 still get there. Oh, they're still going down. Good. Probably it will close in a second. Let's wait. Just gonna check S&P 500 on the side. They are reversing right now, which is no good. Gold's dropping lower, which is nice. Come on, give me some more, guys. Give me some more. No, gold's still dropping down. Nice. We got another $3,400. Let's get to full take profit. 5,300 to get. So in total it's gonna be 7,500, which is 1 to 3 risk to reward. It's gonna be nice. Come on, gold. We need another 80 pips. It's nothing, guys. On gold, 5 minutes time frame can be 100 pips. $4,000. Yeah, guys, come on. Let's do it. Few more pips, 4,200. Okay, guys, if I secure the trade right now, I can get $6,000, so I can do it. I put it right here, the stop loss, so now the $5,000 is secured. We're gonna get to full take profit. It's gonna be 7,000, but 5,000 is gonna be nice as well, so I don't mind. Usually I leave this kind of setups for full take profit. I do not change anything, but you know, this is live trading sessions, people are watching, so better for me to secure the trade. 3 to 1 is already done, guys. Very nice entry, because entry to the position was in this place. Perfect entry to the position. We are on the way down. Let's get to full take profit. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Guys, this is like 20 pips, 40 pips. This is one candle. Look at this candle here, 58 pips. This candle right here, 111 pips. So we need just one candle from 5 minutes time frame, nothing else. One single candle go down and we got it. And look, guys, with this kind of trade, what what I was doing. This is one of our strategies. We can get perfect entry, and this is very small, tiny move. Look at this. This is only a few pips on gold. Small impulse. And we can get 1 to 4, 1 to 5 sometimes. You get very nice profit from the trade, but the stop loss is very tight, like you can see. So this is more like a sniper entry. The risk of hitting stop loss is also high because this kind of setups, it's around 32-35% chances to get profit, but the risk reward makes big difference, guys. Because it's not 1 to 1, it's not 1 to 2. Usually it's 1 to 4, and usually I do not touch anything. Only today on live trading session, but it's a little bit different. Why gold is not moving? Oh, I think I need to close it. Unlucky. I need to close it, guys. Oh, it's closed. Okay, the trade is closed, guys. Let's see the results. We got $5,219 from this perfect trade. It was perfect entry for the trade. We didn't get to full take profit. Maybe if we would leave the trade as it was, but it doesn't matter. We got $5,219 profit from this trade, which is amazing, guys. Yes, I can say this day is amazing for me. Hopefully for you the same. So we're gonna see each other tomorrow morning, guys, and also tomorrow afternoon. So take care and good luck. I will see you later. Take care, guys.
Start your learning journey with ALLin Traders using our convenient mobile app. Access over 100 educational materials anytime, anywhere.